minutes.
You're gonna be more.
3 minutes.
In how? No.
Sit your ass down. Do it.
Hey.
Yo, my guy is suffering.
Alright guys, so let me explain the stupidity that's going on over here. Alright, so we're in an Axe bar in Lisbon, alright? And there was a challenge up on the menu that says, if you can finish 12 wings in under 3 minutes, alright? No liquids, no nothing like that. You get the price of it refunded back to you. You get a t-shirt for it, and also a picture on the wall, on the wall of flame, alright? Just for context, it smells like shit. I'm not gonna even lie to you, but let's just give it a go. Hold on. So what, you're gonna just time me, yeah?
Yeah, it was like, you went gloves with us?
Yeah, I'd say bring the.
Did man just say gloves?
You have to wear gloves. You have to wear gloves.
Shit.
Bro, this, yeah? Your face is blind. You're blind. You're actually gonna be blind.
After one, I'm gonna bitch out, bro. 2, 1, let's go. Alright.
Bro, don't even wait for it. Just eat it. 3 minutes, my bro. Just eat all of it. Eat all of it. Don't think about it. Just eat it, bro. Eat it.
When people do this,
You have 3 minutes.
you're gonna be more
3 minutes.
in hell.
Just eat it. Don't think, bro. Eat. Yalla, family. Bro, that's come on, let's go, bro. Seconds, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Bro, why you pausing? Don't pause, bro. Why you pausing? Don't think, bro. Don't.
Gosh. That is so bad.
Bad as in hot or bad as in taste bad? Yo, my guy is suffering. Your life depends on it.
How long has gone by?
Come on, bro. Come on, my bro.
Oh, sh**. No.
Sit your ass down. Do it properly. Come on. Don't you dare quit. Come on. At least reach 3 minutes, bro. Stop thinking, man. Just put it all in your mouth and just chew, bro. Come on, you can do it. It's not gonna be better if you put all of them in your mouth than if you put them one at a time. Same heat, bro. Stop thinking about it. Go. Munch it. Stop thinking about it. Stop thinking about it. Pretend like you don't have taste buds.
This is so bad.
This is a walk in the bar.
This is so bad.
Oh, do it. I need 3 minutes. Come on, bro.
I'm done. I am done out of this. How much time is left? That. Jesus Christ.
2 minutes. You're up.
That's insane. So, when they promote it, it says Burning Man wings, all right? I tried it earlier, and I thought to myself, light work. No. So there's a separate kind of wings platter that they give you, where they add Carolina Reapers, all the sauces that they have, they kind of mix it all together. I misunderstood, but is a bitch, and I had to pay what was due, 28 euros, but it is what it is. I lost that one, but oh my days, that f***ing almost killed me. Remember that? The things I do for content. Anyway, bruv, do I really need to say like, subscribe? You know what to do by now. If you like, subscribe, the pain that I'm suffering, I don't even know if that makes sense anymore. Peace.